Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the XYHT virtual trade show. My name is Jillian Kreider. I am the TLS sales specialist with RIEGL USA, and I would like to welcome you to RIEGL USA's virtual booth. Today, physically, we are here at the future headquarters of RIEGL USA's North American office. This is the future site of our sales support and service for all of RIEGL's North American users. I'm out here today doing laser scans of our facility with our VZ2000i terrestrial laser scanner. I've actually been coming out here weekly now for about the past month or two to do laser scans of our building while it's under construction. Today we're using our VZ2000i long-range terrestrial laser scanner. For any of you who are familiar with the RIEGL lineup of TLS scanners, we have a VZ400i, a 2000i, a 4000, and a 6000. So the RIEGL VZ400i and 2000i are the latest iterations of the RIEGL TLS scanners, utilizing our unique waveform LiDAR technology to help improve your efficiency in the field. We've been alternating between using this and the 400i on this construction project. What we've been doing with it while we're out here is validating information against the plans that have already been drawn up. One of the biggest examples of this has been the anchor bolts on our building. With our anchor bolts, we were able to laser scan where their placement was and find out that a few of the anchor bolts were in misalignment before they were going ahead to do the concrete pour. So they were able to fix everything well ahead of schedule, make sure that everything was fine and operational and can continue on. Another example is that when they poured our walls directly on site, which is known as a tilt wall, they actually measured the forms for the walls and even were able to find out that a few of those measurements were incorrect before they were pouring the concrete, saving time, money, and energy in the field. Time is money when it comes to construction, and this was critically important. It was fantastic we were able to get this done. So we are actually doing this to help create a digital footprint of the RIEGL USA North American headquarters. As this project continues and new additions are made, as you can see behind me, every day to our new facility, we're out here scanning and documenting everything in both images and in 3D data. The simultaneous data acquisition and image acquisition that I can do with the VZ400i or a VZ2000i allow me to capture critical information that is vital to our company. Additional milestones that we're actually going to be able to capture and help validate for the vertical construction market is that our drainage survey has been set correctly, that the steel beams are being placed perfectly in alignment, that they're not twisted or crooked at all, that the walls meet at the exact precise measurement that they were supposed to be, to make sure that everything's within alignment, to make sure that the land is perfectly where it's supposed to be, and just to help us chronicle every step of this process along the way. So we also have a video that we would like to show you that actually shows this project occurring from our contractor's point of view, who's DPR Construction. Enjoy.
So this morning we went out, we did 63 terrestrial scans. We scanned throughout the entire site of the project, focusing mainly on the existing conditions of the building. What we're doing this for is basically a QA/QC check, so we're going to check our concrete locations. We did check pre-pour. We did find a couple errors in the layout portion. There were two footers that were actually off by 3 feet and another that was off by a foot. So thankfully, we did our job and we went out and we captured that data. We were able to turn it around in a couple hours. I called up the superintendent, sent him an email, and was like, hey, we got some issues. So we met 7 a.m. the morning before the pour was 11, went through, double checked what I had found, and sure enough, we had these 4 errors. So we got on the phone with Nevin. We're like, Nevin, we got issues, like we got to stop the pour, we got to make these corrections before we pour, otherwise it's going to be a huge mistake on our part, and that's why we're doing all this. We're solving problems before we even knew that there were problems, and we're using the VZ400i to make this happen.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that little video from DPR Construction. So in addition to our TLS line of instruments that we're obviously using out here today, we also have unmanned, industrial, airborne, and mobile solutions that can help you and your business for a multitude of applications and in industries. If you guys would like more information on this or on any of our other products, please call us at the office, 407-248-9927. You can email us at info@RIEGLUSA.com. You can email me directly at jkreider@RIEGLUSA.com, or you can visit our website, RIEGLUSA.com. Thank you guys and enjoy the show.